Hey, Brian from Garage Mall. Today I have this House Again shoe rack for your closet. So let's open it up, see everything that we get inside. Okay, so that's a box. And then these are all the parts. And all these pieces. And then these are your instructions. So it looks like there is a lot to this. So it's a large shoe rack, just to kind of give you an idea. Then these are all the fabric pieces. And let's just, I guess, go piece by piece. All right, so it looks like we got a bunch of these type T, kind of like T's, I guess. And these look like your corners. Try to keep them separated. And you got your kind of like your cross T's. We'll keep that over there. And you have your 3 different size poles. So I guess they're going to be A are the longer ones. And this is kind of like fabric. Okay, so your A is going to be your longer pieces. B is going to be your medium, and then C are going to be your short pieces. Checking this up all towards me, so I can get to everything. Alright, so let me start off with B, this bag, and then we are going to be looking for the E, which is going to be your corners, right there. So, B across, got your corner. So that's how we start there. C, your smaller pieces. Okay, and then that is going to connect down into one of these, I guess, crossover pieces we'll call, or actually another corner piece. Yeah, so that's going to be your next corner piece. That, and then another C. Oh, we need a B to go across. Almost forgot that part. Okay. Another C to go down. So it's going to be multi-tier level. Then another corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, Okay, so you can see how large this thing is. I can even fit it into my entire studio frame. But we're going to set this up, put a bunch of shoes on it, show you what it looks like, and other than that, stay tuned. But Brock from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.